Good morning from a very rainy day in Vik, Iceland. We were able to get a good amount of sleep last night. It's almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So I say last night, but we went to bed this morning at about 4. So I got up at 11:30. So 4 to 11:30, it's like 7.5 hours, which on this tour has been, that's very good sleep for sure. So feeling energized and ready to go on our last day to exploring Iceland. We're heading further along the south coast and then we're going inland. And I've been kind of teasing this final location because I think it might be somewhere new that you haven't seen before. So hopefully that's the case and you're gonna see it in this video. All starts right now. Let's go.
It's amazing they stayed on. I was trying to dry off my socks. Bit of a fail.
So a very good photography location near Vik, which is very accessible in the summer. Again, apologies for the wind. It's this cliff on the right-hand side of the Black Beach. So where we finished the video last night is the classic Black Beach with the sea stacks, and it's an amazing place to fly the drone and to get good photos, but it's very dangerous. However, in the summer, you can come way up here to the other side of the beach onto this cliff and get some amazing views of a arch. And also the beach just stretching on the other side back this way as far as you can see into the distance, which is really, really cool. This is a very unique part of coastal South Iceland. And yeah, it's a nice spot to spend, what, half an hour, 45 minutes?
Did you see all the puffins?
I haven't seen any puffins yet. Where are they?
Probably having lunch.
We've seen a few really good puffin sightings in this tour, the first day and the 5th day. So if you haven't seen those videos, check them out. And also, if you're interested, you can follow his YouTube channel, which I'll link in the description.
And also, I would like to promote Bodog Fight, which is a great place to.
They actually are they're the ones who sponsored this video. Yeah, Bodog
It's
Fight.
a great place to fight on. No, I don't know what Bodog is. I just remember there was
you can bet on archery. You can bet on
is that a real thing?
dog fights, and you can bet on UFC.
Yeah.
Only in South Germany.
And puffin diving competition.
Right.
Yeah.
Now that is some seriously competitive shit.
I heard the record last year was 38 meters.
What?
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna be hard to beat this year, but there's a good lineup, so they might have a chance there.
Yeah, Jake's really gonna take it home.
I think so.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be the Sundin brothers.
No, those guys were hockey players.
No.
Not puffins.
Oh, shit.
Good effort.
And our journey continues along the south coast. This waterfall you probably recognize by now. This is Seljalandsfoss, one of the more popular waterfalls in Iceland. It's only a short drive away from Reykjavik. By short, I mean like under 2 hours. And it's very close to Skogafoss, which is another very, very popular waterfall. And what once was the secret waterfall, which is not so secret anymore, we just stopped over there at Skogafoss to see if anybody wanted to photograph it. And the entire crew wanted to go to that secret waterfall. So we got there and there's now a sign for it and like a pretty nice path, which I got no B-roll of, apologies. I called Nelly and my son Mateo instead while the guys went off to the secret waterfall. I got a nice update on our son. He's doing real good. He's so close to walking. So being here for 10 days and being away from them has been tough since becoming a new father. I'm definitely missing them and looking forward to getting back there. You know, it's not like I didn't miss Nelly before, but now having that sense of responsibility for the little guy, and I really want to be there when he starts walking. So I was there when he started crawling, and I will be back in 2 days, so hopefully he will be starting to walk. But that is not part of this video. This is about our Iceland adventures on our final day here. And look at how beautiful it is in the summer with these flowers. You got these purple and yellow flowers in the foreground leading up to this amazing waterfall. And you can actually walk all the way up and around, which I'm gonna do now, and get some nice B-roll to help add to Brendan's videos. Yeah, we continue. The final spot of today's video is coming up next. All right, good evening. It's very, very cold. My hands are freezing. It's meant to be summer in Iceland, midnight sun. It's about 11 o'clock right now, and we've made it to Hyfoss, which is the secret waterfall. Not really, but it is the place I was wanting to share with you guys since the beginning of this video and yesterday too. And it turns out that I have been here before. I wasn't too sure. I couldn't remember because the last time I was here in 2019 for summer was with Thor and Thomas Heaton. And Thor, being the awesome Icelandic photography guy that he is, brought our group up here. And at the time, because I was working and trying to get as much video footage as possible, I didn't really put two and two together. So here we are, and it is incredible. Really, really cool. Sorry about that wind. It's so strong. That's why I'm so cold. Jesus. Yep. Yeah, here we are. Hyfoss. This is the final destination of our workshop, the entire ring road of Iceland. We are at the last photography spot, which sounds kind of crazy. It has been a really epic tour so far, and I don't want to go into too much detail about that because I want to save the outro and some of my favorite photos to the end of this video. But I have finally arrived at the location that I've been hyping up throughout this video and the end of the last one, and that is Hyfoss, H-A-I-F-O-S-S, an incredible location on our route towards Reykjavik. This will be the last place that we're camping, and it is cold. We are in sort of a barren land up here, pretty high, as is the name of the falls, at least in English. I'm sure it doesn't mean that in Icelandic, or does it? But still, this place is really, really cool, and it's super windy right now. So before I get around this corner, I just want to give you the heads up that if you're afraid of heights, maybe don't come to this one. It is a long drop to get down in this canyon. right, we're back at High Foss, and it is like probably 4:30 in the morning again. If you've seen the last few videos from the midnight sun, it's been a couple of late nights into the wee early mornings here because of how the sun sets and sun rises at this time of year. And what a fantastic sunrise. I'm really happy we came back. This is an incredible location, very, very windy as you've seen, but if you stay safe and don't get too close to the edge of the cliffs, you can really get some amazing images. So I'm shooting all this with a wide angle. You can't really see it, it's way up there. Wide angle 16 to 35. Can you see it there? Kind of. Challenging, yeah, with two filters, a 3-stop hard grad and a 3-stop soft grad. So just to dampen out the sky and the clouds, and it really does the trick. It looks amazing. So some of the best photos I think of the trip I just got at the very end on the last day. So what I want to share with you is a selection of the best photos that I took over the last 10 days here in Iceland. Right at the end of this video, and you be the judge as to what you think of some of the results that I was able to capture during this workshop. And huge shout out to all the people that were on the trip. You guys are amazing. It was a really fun tour. We had a great group and really good conditions and great images, as you're about to see. And I think they probably got hundreds, if not thousands more than I did. So it'll be a lot of work to go through those and edit them. But still, really cool tour. And thank you all for watching from home. It's really cool to have you following along. This has been definitely more like a vlog series and less educational, but I'll try and get back to it eventually. I have fun bringing you along on these adventures and making these sort of behind the scenes, and yeah, that's what I'm going to keep doing because I enjoy it. So the next trip is in Greenland, and I'll see you there.